Hello, so welcome to another Far Cry 6 Lost Between Worlds video. In the previous video, we looked at how to acquire the Fractal Bomb or the C4 explosive, whichever you want to call it, without having to actually bring back a shard. And in our quest to get all three of our tools, we're going to get the second tool, which will be the key. This will get us into some of the weapon lockers to get weapon upgrades, as well as get us into being able to find the third tool, which is the grapple. To get this key, we need the Fractal Bomb. If you haven't gotten the Fractal Bomb yet, go ahead and look at my previous videos where we find the Fractal Bomb and acquire it. So what we've done is we've gone ahead and gotten to Sunken Esperanza. Once you swim all the way through the first underwater level, you will get to this dry area on the left. There's a pipe bomb, which I've already gotten. I've cleared out the enemies in here so you can get an idea of what we have. This is our first clear area. We've obviously got some shards. We also have
I needed them.
the assault rifle in case you don't already have it. That's sort of extra. Coming over this way, you can get all of our ammo, weapon, other accessories upgraded.
Finally,
and now here we can
explosion
place our bomb.
Time to get out of here.
Step back. It blows up. Brings
Is
us
the way
into
out?
this area,
I should
which
load
is the
some more
shortcut to the blue portal. And we also have the keys just sitting here waiting for us to pick up.
Bet this key opens some pretty important doors.
So now we have the rift key. Looking at our arsenal, you see that we have two of the three tools that we need, and we will use this rift key to get us the grapple hook, as well as there's a lot of weapons, or a number of weapons that are behind locked doors, and they're actually weapon upgrades. And if you have any questions about the weapon upgrades, drop me a note. I'll do some more videos to show you how to find the weapon upgrades once you have all three of the tools, as well as subscribe so you can see part 3 of this series as well, which is where we take the key and get the grapple hook. For now, we can just sort of head back if we need to, or continue forward. It would be our choice.